So these are just kind of my thoughts after using my Mulberry Alexa. This is the regular size. It's not oversized. It's not the mini. It's just the regular Alexa. After using this for a little over a week, I wanted to give my thoughts on it because my issues are different than I think other people. A lot of things, like for example, people had an issue with doing the postman's lock. I am not having any problem with that. I'm also not having any problem with these because I just flip them up and then open the purse, and it doesn't take me long to get in and out of the bag. It's also not difficult for me to do the postman's lock probably because I have this insert in here. It was just an insert that I had for another purse, and I'm using it in here and it's working well. And I'm not going to go through everything in my purse. I might do that in another video, but I have like all kinds of stuff in here. Medical stuff, lipsticks and gum and hand sanitizers and wallets, and it holds absolutely everything that I need. So size-wise, it's great. This is great size-wise. And it's beautiful. The color of it is just so beautiful, and I've actually got compliments on it, which I never get compliments on my purses, before. So it must be something about it that people are attracted to because they don't know what Mulberry is, so they're not complimenting me because it's a Mulberry bag. They don't. I live in the U.S. Most of us don't know what a Mulberry bag is. So I did leave all of the little tape on, and I'm really glad I did, because one problem I have found that I'm definitely going to have, if it matters, it might not matter, and I don't think you can really pick it up too much here, is this is going to get incredibly scratched. I think it's brass. It's pretty heavy, so it must be brass, and you can't see you can see some of them there, of the scratches that it already has. Now this has a protector on it, which I left on it, and you can hardly tell that it's on there. And I did go ahead and order some replacement stickers, which you can get those on, I think, like maybe Amazon or Etsy. I can't remember which I ordered it from. But you can get those that are made specifically for this purse and put them on there. Whether or not they damage it or not, I have no idea. But anyway, I did go ahead and order some of those because I can tell I'm going to need to keep that on there. But scratches and that type of thing, those just add character. So, if it gets scratched, it gets scratched. I don't resell my bags. I keep them forever. And so, that's just character to my bag, a scratch that nobody else has. But so as far as the beauty of the bag, it is beautiful. The scent of the leather is so amazing. As far as holding everything, it's really great. Those do that a lot, the banging. But these also have the little protectors on it. And again, those will probably get scratched, and that'll be okay too. But see, I don't have any trouble. This does just fine if you just throw an insert in there. The insert is like $10, so plus it keeps your purse so organized. I can find everything. One complaint I have about the bag is the Alexa. I have a Bayswater also, but the Bayswater is more of a rectangular shape, and you can easily get in and out of it. The Alexa is extremely hard because it's so confined at the top. All your space is at the bottom, but you can't get, it's just harder to get in there. So that is kind of, I won't even call it a complaint. It wouldn't keep me from not buying it. It's just at the top, it's a lot smaller than it is at the bottom. And so you can't really use this space down here if you have an organizer in it. And I will say that without the organizer, it probably would be hard to do the postman's lock. Another thing I noticed is that you touch this a lot, and you touch right here a lot, and these are suede, or I don't know what they are. I think they're suede. Maybe it's just the back side of the leather, I'm not sure. But whatever it is, this is going to get turn black from being touched from the oils on your hands. So I'm going to have to get some kind of spray on protector that I can just coat that with, because you do touch this part a lot, and I know that this seems very absorbent. This is no problem, because this I feel like could easily be cleaned. Maybe you could clean this easily, I don't know. I've never really had anything that was that suede before, so I'm unsure about that. But no real complaints. There is nothing that would keep me from getting this bag again except the weight. This is so heavy. It is really heavy. It is so heavy that I couldn't use the straps. You know, it comes with straps that are really thin, and they were just too thin for me to, like, it was really, really digging into my shoulders. Because the bag, although it's not super big, it's very heavy because it's just made so well. You know, it's made to last a lifetime, so they put really quality products in here. I wouldn't say that would keep me from buying it, but one thing I had to do is I removed the strap. The strap itself is incredibly heavy. Once I removed the strap and I started carrying this with this handle, that really kind of fixed the problem. So I would kind of say if you get the regular Alexa, you're probably gonna end up carrying it by the handle. And if you're still having a problem with weight, remove the strap. The strap weighs a lot. But once I removed the strap and started carrying it by the handle, I've never really done that before. I've always been a crossbody kind of person. But this is, I mean, I'm not having any trouble just carrying it. So, and I have noticed I can slip my arm in here and kind of carry it like that. Like, it is wide enough for that, and I'm not a super skinny person. So, you know, there is enough space in there just to slide your arm in and carry it just in the crook of your elbow there. But so far I would say definite. I do love it. It's beautiful. I'm probably going to have a winter and a summer. This would be a really good winter purse. It is March now, March of 2023. But I'm probably going to order the Bayswater. I was going to get the, well, I have a Bayswater, but I'm probably going to order the Bayswater Mini. It's very little, and I think for summer, that one is going to be really good to just, you know, run around in the summer where you're busier and out running around. And I think this is going to be my winter bag when I carry more stuff with me. Or, of course, when I go to the office, this is really a great bag. But that's the great thing about inserts, is with the inserts, you can just take those out and move it to your other bag. And usually what I tend to do is, this is not one insert. This is two small inserts. Well, actually, there's a small one here, and then it's a larger one. And I can just take this middle part, and it fits into my mini bags perfectly fine. So I usually keep things in this middle part that I want to go to every purse. And then extra stuff that I don't have to have but would like to have go in the outside. And so I just grab this, put it in my mini purse, head out. So anyway, so that's probably what I'll do. I also use this little wallet, and it's just attached to the actual insert. And this is so good. I got this from Amazon. I don't know, it's $15, $20, I don't know. But it's got the protector that so people can't steal your information from your credit cards. I keep my most used credit card like right here, and then it's got a pocket here. My driver's license is there, but and a pocket there, and then a place to put your license. And I can put all my credit cards and my money and stuff in this little thing, and it's very lightweight. And so that's kind of what I do. Anyway, that's all I have. Thanks.